Do you ever feel like your home security setup is just a box on the wall that doesn't really change much? I mean, you buy a camera, but you end up with wires, dead batteries, fuzzy footage at night, and you still are worried when you're away. I mean, wouldn't it just be nice if just one system just worked clearly, all day and all night? Well, now imagine this, a camera that keeps spinning and tilting to cover every corner, one that records crisp 4K video even in the dark with built-in spotlights, and it's powered by the sun, so you almost never have to plug it in again. Well, meet the TP-Link Tapo C660 kit. This is a 4K outdoor pan-tilt security camera bundled with a solar panel to simplify your monitoring, make it smarter, and keep it nearly maintenance-free. Let's start with the video quality. This camera uses an 8 megapixel sensor, delivering true 4K resolution. That's 3840 by 2160. And it can support up to an 18-time digital zoom. That means when you zoom in, you'll still be able to clearly identify faces, license plates, or the details in your yard. Next, let's talk about the coverage. The camera pans a full 360 degrees, and it tilts up to 90 degrees. So it actually monitors more than a fixed view might allow. And then there's the intelligence. It has built-in AI detection, which tracks people, pets, and vehicles. Oh, and it follows their movement rather than just giving you a static clip. Now that tracking and detection happens without you having to subscribe to any extra services or pay anything else. And here's a big differentiator as well, the kit. It's going to include a solar panel plus a built-in 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery with just about 45 minutes of direct sunlight. That means you're freed from regular power outlet constraints or swapping batteries. You get a ton more flexibility for installation. You could put it on a porch, your driveway, or your backyard. Really just wherever the sunlight and your vantage point meets. And when the sun goes down, well, the camera is engineered to handle it. It uses a large aperture f1.6 lens and a starlight sensor, plus a built-in spotlight, so it can deliver full color nighttime vision rather than the usual grainy monochrome image. So your porch or your yard is visible in detail, not just a blur of shapes. Now on the tech side, it supports both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And if you want faster speed for live 4K, use the 5 gigahertz. Do you need longer range? Use the 2.4 gigahertz. And now for storage options, you have a local micro SD that you can put up to 512 gigabytes, which roughly equates to 379 hours, which is about 16 days of 4K footage, or cloud storage via Tapo Care subscription. So you're not locked into just cloud fees or just local storage. You can choose what fits your style. Now, security matters. The camera supports AES encryption with SSL or TLS and standard Wi-Fi security to help protect your footage and the feed. Now it also integrates with voice assistants. It works with things like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free viewing. Now what about the weather resistance? Well, the camera and the panel are rated IP65. That means it's rain, shine, and dust resistant. This thing is built for outdoor conditions. Now, I set mine up outside to see how it really performs. Within minutes, it connected to Wi-Fi, locked onto my property view, and started tracking motion across the yard. Now, I tested it through the day, from bright sunlight to dusk, and the picture stayed crystal clear. Now, once the night hit, the starlight sensor kicked in, and the spotlights filled in the rest. The night vision was surprisingly sharp, and the camera still followed movement smoothly. Now, whether you mount it above your porch, watch over your driveway, or cover your backyard, you're gonna feel like your home is genuinely being monitored, not just recorded. Here's the bottom line. Most outdoor security solutions force you into compromises. You either deal with constant wiring and outlets, or you accept lower image quality and fewer features. The Tapo C660 kit lets you skip those compromises. You get high-end 4K detail, full panoramic coverage, smart AI tracking, color night vision, dual band connectivity, flexible storage options, and solar power, all working seamlessly together. Look, if you're ready for a home monitoring setup that doesn't make you worry ever again about batteries, blurring, dark spots, or hidden dead zones, then you need to check out the Tapo C660 kit. It's simple, smart, and designed to protect your space. Tap the link below to learn more.